what's up? It's your girl Tamara Lachey, and I'm back on YouTube. I have missed vlogging and making videos for a while now. I just haven't had the time to come back to it, but the time is now. So this video should be fun because it is my 23rd birthday photo shoot, and I am very excited because I've never had a photo shoot before, and I'm getting like the whole glam, like makeup, nails. I'm about to get my hair done literally right now. So I'm just excited to show you guys the whole process, the behind the scenes, and then maybe even the photos after. So before we go any further, make sure you guys like this video, and to my new viewers, make sure you subscribe because I promise you that you are going to love these videos that are to come. So let's go. So I have got my hair done. A girl is finally feeling refreshed, but now I'm about to go and get my eyebrows done because I'm looking a little rough in that area. I got my nails done yesterday, but I didn't want to get my eyebrows done from the nail salon yesterday because I didn't know how they did eyebrows, and I do not play about my eyebrows. So I'm about to go in this nail salon that I went to a couple times before to get my eyebrows done. And hair done, nails done, everything did. Hey, this is my baby. His name is River Blue. Say hi. Say hi, buddy. All right, not my hair. Don't mess my hair up. Okay. So I got my eyebrows done. My nails are done. I'm just so excited. So tomorrow's the big day. So I'm gonna just end today here, and I'm not gonna end the vlog, but you guys are gonna see the whole behind the scenes of my photo shoot, me getting dressed, me getting my makeup done. It's gonna be fun, so stay tuned. Good morning. It is the next day, and I just could not vlog this morning because I was in such a rush. Like, for instance, church starts at 10. It's 10:30, and I just pulled up, so I'm late today. So later I have my photo shoot, so I'm gonna leave church a little bit early. I'm here with my baby brother. If you guys remember him from my Shopping with Chris vlog, he got so big. That's him. He's 18 years old now, and where his time going. But yeah, so I'm gonna go in church, and then later I have my photo shoot. So like I said earlier, you guys are gonna see the whole behind the scenes of that, and it's just gonna be a fun day. Like, my face is clear, my nails are done, my eyebrows are done, my hair is done. You know, ladies especially, you know how good you feel when everything is just done. That's that feeling that I'm having right now. Y'all, Amira just beat my face. Amira, shout yourself out, shout your channel out, whatever.
Alright, so my Instagram is The Miracle Worker, TheMiraCleWerker. My Facebook is Amira Beasley. You can book me on both sites, and my website is coming soon.
Y'all, if you are in Philly, do you go to Jersey?
Yes.
Philly, Jersey, hit her up.
Delaware too.
Hit her up. She even does fashion shows.
Yeah.
Like, she is the best in Philly. So I got my makeup done now. I'm going to my photo shoot. See you guys soon. So I am here. I have my dress on. My Nana and my mom is here. Say hi, Nan.
Hey.
Say hi, Mom. So I'm excited.
Wonderful.
Y'all probably practiced that. How did they turn out? But I'm so happy to get these pictures because everything looks so nice. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are a new subscriber, if you're a new viewer, make sure you like and subscribe to this video, especially if you want to see more videos from Tamara Lachey to come. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching my 23rd birthday photo shoot.